Hey guys, so I just got this new iPad cover in the mail and let's see how it came. So just taking it out of the package here, it came very nicely covered. There's no damage to the item. And then they have some instructions right on the front, which is super nice, and they look very easy to follow. So it looks like there are 3 different covers, an upper cover, a lower cover, and a silicone case. So let's see how we break this apart. So it looks like this top part just kind of comes off like so. And then this silicone part comes off like this. Another nice thing just observing about the case is there is this handle, so it is hard to hold a whole iPad in your hand with a case and have it have support still. So having this handle, and then you can also use it to prop up your iPad, which is super nice. Just depends on what you want to use it for. Alright, so now let's get this installed. So I'm going to line up the camera part of my iPad with the corner of this case right here, and then we're gonna slide on the silicone case, find that camera hole again, and I'm just kind of using that as a reference for the direction that you're gonna want to place this on. So I'm gonna slowly start by inserting this and putting it on each corner of the iPad, making sure that it goes over all of these plastic sides on the top. And then you can also, as a reference, use this charging port right here to make sure that's in the right place as well. All right, and it looks like we have all of it covered by the silicone. So then last thing is this cover right here. And to figure out where this goes, I'm gonna line up the camera with the top right here. So just gonna start clicking this on each side like so. And what that does is it just ensures that that silicone case is going to stay on and attaches it to the base. All right, so we have this iPad case all installed and ready to go. There is even a place right back here for a pencil, an Apple Pencil or a pencil for your iPad. And then, like I mentioned before, we have this handy dandy handle right here. And that can be used when you're holding the iPad or just for propping it up and for using it. But it does have places for the on and off buttons, so you can turn your iPad on and off. And then we also have those volume buttons right here with some extra padding so it's easier to turn up and down. But other than that, just a nice solid case that's going to protect your iPad when you drop it on the floor, or, I mean, obviously that wasn't a very hard drop, but just help protect your iPad altogether because you did probably pay a lot of money for it and want to keep it safe. So if you just want a simple case with a stand and just need something super simple, you don't need anything fancy like a keyboard, and this is more just so you can handle it better. And like I mentioned before, there is a place for a pen. So I would say this is a lot more for just practical use and is designed to keep your iPad safe. So I hope this was helpful just in showing you guys how exactly this comes and what to expect when you get it. Thanks for watching.